Hello.
David.
Hello.
Hey yo, what's up guys? Me, Official Freeze GT here, and today we're playing Animal Company with my friend
Hello.
David.
From school.
Yeah. And I disconnected my controller. Okay, introduce yourself
Help.
and how do you meet
How
me
do
as
I
a friend?
what?
Me
Uh,
as your friend.
my name is David, and I met him in kindergarten. Like in kindergarten, my first day.
We met each
I
other,
believe.
and then we were like,
Yeah, I saw you were like one of my friends before. Like I met you.
yeah,
From
in kinder.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and then. In first grade, I don't know if we were friends, and then second grade, we were friends. And then third grade, we started playing football, like in school.
yeah,
And in fourth grade, which is the grade we're in right now, football's banned.
yeah.
But I don't know how long. Until fourth quarter, I think. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's get right to the video.
Okay. What should we get first? Our motorcycles?
I don't know. Let's do something like go down the sewers.
Oh yeah, let's get
Get some guns, backpack. Grapplers don't work there anymore.
Wait, they don't anymore?
No, they don't work on it. So, take the shotgun. Okay, and now we need a flashlight. Oh, can you buy a flashlight? I'm on cooldown.
You're on cooldown? Okay.
Yeah. It's on bags and gadgets. Okay, there you go. That's good. Come on, let's go! Oh, I guess I hold it. Okay, let's go! Excuse me.
I'm on a cool. Bro, it's not letting.
But it doesn't matter. Come on, let's go. As long as one of us
3,
has a
2, 1.
flashlight with us. Woo!
Let's go!
Well, I couldn't see you.
Sewers have changed?
Yeah, you don't have to go through a maze, which I like.
Go, 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 go.
Come over here. Jeremiah?
I'm right here.
Okay. Oh, yes. More revolver ammo. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Okay, let's go. Oh, no. It's the other way.
Okay.
360! Hey.
Shoot. I'm gonna be cooked. Oh my god. Where did you go? How did we die?
I died.
How did we die?
I don't know. Bye-bye! It's called teleport guns.
Oh, teleport guns?
Yeah. No way! I just made both of them in stash.
No, you didn't.
Look, that's what I did. I threw them, they both landed in here like that. You want to see something? Come in here. Woo! Welcome to the stash.
Oh yeah, I've seen this before.
Yeah. Freak.
You remember the carnival update?
The carnival, like, circus?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's still here. Jeremiah.
Yeah.
When did you? Oh wait, you started like 11 months ago, right?
No, I started in January.
Like this January?
Like during the Super Bowl, yeah.
When the Super Bowl happened?
Yeah, so I basically started 11 days ago.
I'm on a YouTube channel.
Well, you're not on my YouTube channel. Wait.
Huh?
I'm using your teleport gun, so I'm gonna go. Yeah. I'm over here with the light is at.
Wait, stay. Let me try my aim thing. Oh, it works.
Bruh.
What?
I have to go. No, look. Should we do it tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. We can play tomorrow.
Alright, guys.
Wait. Let's make the outro in the mirror play.
Hey.
Come here. Are you here?
Okay, made it. Alright, guys. It's only been like a couple minutes, so we have to go. I have to go and leave.
Yeah, and make sure to like and subscribe.
Before I kill you.
Bye.